Must know, why choose Deccan Clap for your house painting? Deccan Clap is India's first painting cum waterproofing service company. By painting cum waterproofing concept, you can save 50% cost on painting and waterproofing services. The painting demand in market is not actual demand, it's created by wrong methods of painting service providers. If you paint your house in proper method, it will last for 8 to 10 years. But paint peeling off in 6 months to 1 year, and you need to repaint again and again. Do you know why? At the time of construction, builders make two huge mistakes. First is improper water curing, and second is tile grouting with white cement. With these major faults, the painting demands in market touching sky. When the paint peel off, then you are contacting painting service providers instead of waterproofing contractors. If you contact waterproofing contractors, they don't do painting. Painters doing same mistakes again without permanent waterproofing, so paints again peeling off within months only. This is not the fault of paint quality, peeling off due to water dampness and water seepage. Even if we apply low-budget paint, it lasts 4 to 5 years on your walls. Due to water dampness issues, the paint peel off within 6 months. To solve that issue, you have to make your house waterproof first before painting. In the current market, no painting service provider is doing waterproofing during painting walls. So the main issue will not be solved by choosing expensive paint material. Painters promising you painting and waterproofing, but not performing the process in real. Due to this, you have to paint your walls again and again with a short time interval. To solve the issue from the root, for the first time in India, Deccan Clap offering painting cum waterproofing service. Here we work with multi-skilled laborers. We trained our laborers as waterproofing cum painting specialist. When we will take over your house painting and waterproofing contract, we will inspect the cause of paint peel off and slough it with proper waterproofing for paint longevity of paint on walls. It's not only an innovative idea, it's a social welfare to house owners.